Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel. For today's episode, I am going to show you how to add ruffles on a basic sleeve pattern. So if you want to learn how, keep on watching! So the first thing I will do is cut out the sleeves. Here I am using this pattern that I drafted a few years ago. So if you want to learn how to make it, I'm going to leave the link up here in the info card or in the description box. This is the easiest way to add some pizzazz on a basic sleeve, and plus ruffles are really trendy right now, so this is like a great way to add ruffles on your garment. So I'm basically just going to cut two long strips of fabric about 3 inches wide. The length is totally up to you. The longer the strip is going to be, the more fluffy or the more fuller the ruffle is going to be. I just simply doubled the length of the sleeve hem, and that kind of gave me the idea of how long the strip is going to be. And then I'm just going to base stitch it right on the top here so I can gather it. Actually hand stitch it, but you can use your sewing machine as well. I really love hand stitching. I think it is very relaxing. If you don't know, I actually love cross stitching just because it is very relaxing to me. It's just like transport me to like my happy place. After I gather the ruffle, I'm going to make sure that it matches with the sleeve hem, just like this. After I made sure that they matches, I am going to evenly distribute the ruffles so it looks nice. I am going to sew it from here to the other end. I am also doing about 1/2 inch seam allowance. Then you will repeat the same steps on the other sleeve. I also serged the raw edges so the inside looks nice and neat, but that is optional. Or you can also use a zigzag stitch if you don't have a serger. Now it's time to sew the inseams. Then I sew a basting stitch right on the slope up here so I can slightly gather the top so it will fit perfectly on the armhole, and plus it will also add like a cute little ruffle detail on the shoulder. Now I will place the sleeve inside the armhole. Right sides of the fabrics are facing each other, and then I'm going to match the underarm seams first and then pin it all the way around. If you want to see the full tutorial of this beautiful dress, I'm going to have the link up here in the info card or at the end screen. So you can go ahead and check that out after you watch this video. And then I'm going to sew it all the way around. And this is what it looked like. All I have to do is hem the raw edges and the sleeves are done. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked this simple tutorial. If you enjoyed it and it's helpful to you, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out whenever I post a new video. I will see you in the next episode. Bye!